Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you have just purchased an Orange travel eSIM for your upcoming trip, then this video is going to show you the exact steps with the help of which you can activate it when you are ready to use your mobile data. So before you travel, you just have to make sure that you install your Orange travel eSIM using the Orange travel application or by scanning the QR code. So when you launch the Orange travel application on your phone, you just have to select your plan. After selecting your plan, you just have to make the payment, and then when you look for the option that says active eSIMs, then you just have to do nothing but to just simply tap on the option of activate. Now as soon as you do this, you will be redirected on this page where it is going to ask you whether you want to activate the new eSIM. So you just have to simply allow it the permission, then simply just follow further on-screen instructions in order to basically let the eSIM download on your device. Now when it does, you just have to go to the settings of your iPhone, then select the option of cellular, then select the option of Orange France, and after that you just have to turn this toggle button on that says turn on this line. Also, you need to enable the data roaming, and further information, you can also go to the cellular data, and then you can just simply allow the cellular data switching, and you can turn this toggle button on. Finally, you can wait for a few moments for your phone to basically connect to a supported local network. If it doesn't connect immediately, you can also toggle the airplane mode on, and then you can turn it off or manually select the supported carrier from your network settings. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.